Welcome back to Mid-Cap Radar. Well, this is our special segment, Mid-Cap Spotlight. Ria has been going through the brokerage notes and a very interesting note coming from Motilal Oswal. Ria, which is the stock and what does Motilal Oswal has to say as far as that particular company is concerned?
Vivek, Motilal Oswal has initiated coverage on a company called Technoplast. They've initiated with a buy rating and a target price of around rupees 578, which is a 41% upside to the current market price. So let's take a look at the four key positives that the brokerage has highlighted. The first one is that the growth for the company is going to be led by the VIP segment or the value-added product segment. This has a 20 to 30% growth CAGR and 18% margins. The revenue contribution from this segment is expected to go up to around 35% in the next 3 years from the current 27% revenue contribution, and this is going to lift the overall margins of the company. Now, the second point is that over the next 3 years, revenue is expected to grow at a CAGR of around 15%, and even EBITDA and net profit are expected to grow at around 16% and 23% respectively. Another thing that they've highlighted is that the company also has a domestic market share of around 50 to 60%, and further the ROCE is also expected to expand from the current 18% to around 23% at the end of FY28. Apart from this, some other factors that add to longer-term visibility for the company is the exposure to Fortune 500 clients, leadership in a stable packaging segment which has around 12 to 14% margins, and lastly, a steady volume growth of around 8 to 12%. So on the back of this positive note coming in from Motilal, the stock is up around 6% today.
Well, thank you so much for that, Ria. The stock is doing quite well for itself on the back of the thumbs up from Motilal Oswal. But moving on then,